two developer favorites, each with a loyal following. One big question: which platform truly empowers you to build and deploy faster? On one side, Replit, known for its versatile online IDE and instant project hosting. On the other side, Bolt, the speed-focused platform designed for seamless serverless deployments. Let's look past the hype and zero in on the features and performance that actually matter. We'll score them across key categories. At the end, you'll see a clear winner for your development needs. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Alright, here's our little roadmap for this battle. We're gonna stack up Replit and Bolt across supported languages, AI assistance, collaboration, performance and speed, deployment and extensibility, access and UX, and oh yeah, pricing and value. Let's get into it. Starting off with supported languages, so Replit absolutely throws open the doors with support for over 50 languages. You want Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, whatever, chances are Replit's got your stack ready to roll right in the browser. I mean, that's wild, right? Okay, sometimes you do bump into limits if you want deep local integration, but for most people it's more than enough. Now, Bolt. Bolt keeps things much tighter, really nailing it with JavaScript, TypeScript, a bit of Python, and it leans on your local IDE for some extra flexibility, which is cool. But let's be real, it's mostly built for web-centric devs, and you do have a bit more setup for anything off the beaten path. So, for languages, Replit's our clear winner. Next up, AI assistance. Replit comes with Ghostwriter, which is like having a friendly AI literally over your shoulder, auto-completing code, chatting about your bugs, that kind of thing. But you might notice sometimes it only gets what's happening in your current file or project. Now Bolt, oh man, Bolt takes that AI game up a notch. It plugs right into your VS Code or JetBrains, meaning you get AI everywhere, not just in one tab. It reads context from your whole project, automates tasks. That's honestly pretty sweet. But fair warning, all that magic is tied to their IDE plugins, so no browser action here. But if you're after deep AI help and want it all in your editor, Bolt's the one to beat here. Collaboration time? Okay, if you've ever had to pair program or jam out code in real time with friends, Replit is like Google Docs but for coding. Everyone can hop in, edit, chat, and it's super slick for teams, hackathons, classrooms. Setting up complex stuff might need some extra steps, but still, it's way ahead. Bolt, it's a bit more chill on the teamwork. You get chat threads for your project, which is nice, but honestly no live collaboration. So yeah, mostly solo workflow vibes. For groups, Replit totally dominates. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Replit lets you code on your phone, while Bolt is like AI rocket fuel inside your favorite desktop IDE. Neat how both have their own superpowers, huh? Now let's talk performance and speed. So Replit is pretty good for your everyday projects. It's stable, gets the job done, but if you try to load up a monster repo, you might notice some slowdowns, like the GUI can eat up a little more juice than you'd expect. Meanwhile, Bolt is all about instant load and desktop-level speed. I mean, it feels snappy, like you start typing and boom, it's there. Sure, for giant projects it still leans on your local IDE, but overall, Bolt is just smoother and faster for most devs. Winner for speed, Bolt. Okay, deployment and extensibility. Replit's got that one-click web deployment. You build, you ship in seconds. Their plugin ecosystem is growing too, which is awesome if you want to tweak or add stuff. The one catch? It's not as massive as what you'd get in something like VS Code or JetBrains, but hey, it's getting there. So Bolt banks on whatever plugins your IDE has, which, no joke, means basically endless options. But there's no built-in way to deploy your apps from Bolt. You've got to set that up yourself. So for simple, fast web deployments straight from your coding environment, the point goes to Replit. Access and UX, okay, here, where things get interesting, Replit has a mobile app. Like, you can literally code from your phone. If you're a beginner or just want that browser experience, navigation is super friendly. Downside though, no offline support. Now Bolt is super minimalist, feels crazy fast, but it's built for desktop and their offline mode is a bit limited. There's no mobile option, so really, if flexibility and beginner access matter, Replit easily takes this category. And now, pricing and value. Both have free tiers, nice, right? Replit's plans are split for learners or pro devs, and of course, advanced features do sit behind a paywall. Bolt keeps it simple. Subscription for AI stuff, competitive with Replit's pro pricing. One thing though, team features cost you more and there isn't unlimited free AI. Honestly, it's kind of a toss-up, so we're calling this one a tie. So if we map this out, you'll see Replit sweeping the collaboration, language, and access zones. Bolt shines with speed and AI superpowers. For deployment and overall pricing, it's a tight race. So bottom line, if you're all about working with friends, teaching, learning a ton of languages, and you want it in the cloud, Replit totally takes the crown. But if you mostly fly solo, work locally, and want an AI sidekick that's baked right into your IDE, you'll love Bolt. Pick based on your vibe, both bring something cool to the table. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.